Meaning of feasibility.
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 Feasibility. Feasibility refers to the likelihood or possibility of something being successful or achievable. It is often used to describe whether or not a proposed project, activity, or plan is practical and can be realistically accomplished given available resources, constraints, and other factors. In essence, feasibility is an assessment of the viability of a particular endeavor. The result of a feasibility study is typically a recommendation on whether or not to proceed with the project or plan based on its likelihood of success.